Hello everyone, I'm Himashree Agent where I'm studying BCom. So we add an additional course from Alphatech Academy where our trainer was Gautam sir, and here we studied about Google Ads, email marketing, social media optimization and many more. So basically we had a doubt like how will Google Ad works. So here we got to know how it works and to create it. So then we even got to know, we even created our own business for this purpose. Then our trainer was very friendly and we could grasp the things very easily. So I think this will be very useful for our future career. So thank you.